Okay, this is going to be our last unit on polynomials. Now we're dividing. You'll notice we're dividing a polynomial by a monomial. And that's all we're going to do in this unit. In Algebra 2, you'll get more into dividing polynomials by binomials. But this is all we're going to do. So basically what you're going to do is take your 9k squared in problem 1 here, and you're going to distribute it using division. So you're going to distribute that 9k squared to all three terms of the trinomial. And then you'll just reduce it, and you're done. Okay? Remember, you want to take care of the coefficients and then take care of the exponents by doing the subtraction rule. So 9 goes into 18, what's that? 2 times. K5, K2, you're going to subtract, so that would be K to the third. Next one, 9 over 9, they basically cancel each other out. So 4, K4 minus K2, so that would be K to the second. And then the last one, 9 goes into 18, 2 times. Now remember there's a 1 there, right? Oh wait, that's k squared. Okay, not k. So that's 5 minus 2. So that would be k to the what? Well, that's 3, isn't it? 3 and 2. So that would just be k. All right? And we are done. Pretty simple. Let's try another one. Okay? I'm going to do number 3. Then I'm going to have you do all the rest. Okay? So we're going to distribute the 10v squared to all three of your terms. Now you'll notice on this one you're going to get some fractions. All you're going to need to do, guys, is reduce this, okay? So 4 over 10, well, that would reduce to what? 2 over 5, right? Because 2 goes into both of them. So you're going to have 2 over 5. And then V6, V2, that's V4. And that's positive, so that's going to remain on the top. Okay, next one. Now, really, there's an invisible 1 here, all right? So, that's going to wind up to be 1 over 10. You don't really have to write the 1 if you don't want to, because look what's going to be on top. There's going to be a V, right? Because it's going to be 5 minus 2, which would be V to the third, positive again, which is on the bottom. And then the last one, 4 over 10 again, so that's going to look like your first one. It's going to reduce to 2/5. 4 minus 2 would be V squared. All right? Now, remember, if you had negative exponents, we didn't have in these two, but you may have in some of the other ones. Remember, the negative exponents are going to wind up on the bottom. All right? Don't forget that. That's important. All right? I want you to finish up the rest of these, and we will be done with all the polynomial operations for the week. Okay? Bye.